we're going to be relentless in the pursuit of justice for the victims of Palm Beach County. And if that means we have to try a case 3 times, we will, because ultimately it's about doing justice for victims of crime. And that's what we did here today.
But do you think the sentence is just 16 years? Is that what, I know you guys wanted 30, but...
Well, yeah, we requested 30, and the sentencing memo written by Craig and Laura is excellent, and it details why we requested 30 years. But we respect the sentence from the judge, and we do believe that justice was done in this case.
There are some people who say that there wasn't a death in this case, that Michael Dippolito didn't die. So why was it important for you guys to continue prosecuting the case as vigorously as you did?
Yeah, I mean, this is a serious crime. This is a first-degree felony, punishable up to 30 years in prison. And what you see here in this case is the culmination of a history of crimes against Michael Dippolito, as detailed in the sentencing memo. So this was very deserving of the seriousness that our prosecutors gave it, and ultimately, I think we did justice in this case.
The judge found,
it's obviously very tough. I think very highly of Dalia Dippolito, and I know people think differently. The public has their opinion, but what I said up there, I mean. She's not the person that people think she is. She's not the person she was 8 years ago. This is very hard for me. It's very hard for her family. Dalia is an incredibly strong person. And, the verdict was very hard for her, but she was prepared for this. And she's ready to continue fighting as well. I know all of you have seen the evidence, and you've seen that small portion of Dalia Dippolito's life. But, I've really got to know her, to a deeper level, got to know who she really is, and, I'll stand by it. She's really a tremendous person, and I don't care who you are. Taking a mother away from her child is just incredibly difficult. And I know how loving of a mother she is, how much she cares about her child. And with all the work we've put in, it's tough.
16 years was more than what you guys wanted, but a lot less than what the state wanted. Kind of put that 16-year mark in perspective for us.
Sure, like I said, I respect the judge's thoughtfulness in his decision. It was well-reasoned. He didn't rush to judgment. And, I greatly appreciate that. And that's, what we all expect and hope out of our judiciary, and he showed that. It's never easy getting a high prison sentence, regardless of whether or not it's less than what the state wants. But, like I said, we're going to keep fighting for Dalia. We believe in her. And, we'll see where this goes next.